kanina pa ako kumakaway Ang tagal pumasok Welcome everyone to another episode of Easy Rock Plugged In with yours truly. My name is Shy. Apologies. I had too much sugar earlier today and I'm just releasing it here at the moment. But anyway, hi and again, welcome to the show. I do hope that you guys are doing great. And I do hope that you would also share this video because I'm about to introduce to you a very talented person who is already so successful at their career at the young, tender age of 17. So please share to other people and just spread the love, not the chismis. And of course, I have to ask you, our dear audience, what were you doing at the age of 17? Ako nagkakalat ata ako nun but this artist that we've got going on for today, our guest artist for today, is already so successful. So let's hear more about her. Please welcome on Easy Rock Plugged In, Joyce Espinosa.
Good afternoon, Easy Rock Plugged In, and good afternoon, DJ Shy. I'm so honored to be here.
We are also just as well honored to have you here. And we're very excited to talk about you, your song, but more especially, of course, we do want to hear and get to know you a little bit more. And I want to start off with asking, how is school? Kasi balita ko, you are such an achiever daw. Like
Ay, wow.
I mentioned earlier, ako pakalat-kalat at your age. You, I have a feeling you're just reaching for the stars. Do tell.
Actually po, entering senior high school.
Let's go.
Senior high school era? Wow, era.
Era. Very Taylor Swift, but let's go.
Very quite a culture shock po. Kasi it's different sa junior high school. Senior high school po kasi para na siyang college. So, teachers are treating students, like college student na po talaga. Kasi, prepare na po kami for college. Pero, na-culture shock po ako kasi super hirap po pala niyang ma-adjust sa environment and syempre bagong subjects po. Lalo na po yung sa strand na pinili ko po kasi ang major po ng mathematics.
So I was gonna ask actually kasi syempre nung panahon namin mga titos at titas, wala kami mga strands. So what are the... Sorry guys, question para sa anak ko to Ha? Wala pa ako nun. Anyway, so what's with the strand thing? What strands are you able to choose from?
It's part of the K-12 curriculum po ng Department of Education. Parang po, grade 11 and grade 12, ito po yung preparation stage ng mga high school student to enter college. Para po hindi naman sobrang culture shock pagdating po sa college and universities. Opo, hindi ganun kabigat. Kasi po, sa senior high, we're already taking some of the basic lessons na tinitake po sa freshman year ng college.
Like the maths, the algebra probably.
Like calculus.
Oh my gosh, with the calculus. So you chose the STEM. You chose STEM. I don't know how to grammar
Science,
myself.
Technology, Engineering, Mathematics.
With your major as math.
Calculus po.
But what why? Why would you subject yourself to that?
Gusto ko po kasi ma-engage sa veterinary medicine kasi po, I'm very fond of animals.
I love that. I love that about you. Okay.
Thank you po.
I mean, what made you want to become a veterinarian?
Ever since. Since I was a kid po talaga, I'm very fond of pets po, like dogs and cats. Kahit po yung mga stray dogs tsaka cats sa kalsada, nilalapitan ko po sila, tapos sinasabihin ako ng papa ko na, "Uy, huwag lalapitan yan, baka marabis ka, makagat ka," ganyan. Pero po, surprisingly, mabait yung mga stray dogs sa akin po pag nilalapitan ko sila, pag pinipet ko po sila. So parang dun po lumaki yung fondness and love ko po para sa mga animals.
What kind of pet are you most excited to take a look at once you become a vet? Syempre, there's the usual cats and dogs, diba? Aside from them, what's your, what kind of animal are you excited to treat, to look at, ganun?
For me po, ang interesting ng anatomy ng reptiles.
So you're already studying the anatomy of reptiles as early as now? Kasi you found it interesting, which means,
Hindi po kasi ang fascinating lang malaman about their the structure of their body po. Paano, ba't ganon? Ang ano naman.
Sila cold-blooded, ganon.
Bakit sila cold-blooded, ganyan? Bakit yung skin nila ang rough? Saan gawa yun? Paano na-produce yung mga ganon? So, nakaka-pick lang po talaga ng curiosity.
Ng interest and curiosity mo. You know what? I've always believed that when younger people, not necessarily kids, have a lot of questions about a lot of stuff, talagang matatalino sila. And then they will also become even smarter because they have so many questions. And once they get those questions answered, you know, they're gonna be smarter. And I can tell, mommy, daddy, ninong, ninang, feel ko talaga napakatalino ng anak niyong si Joyce.
Thank you very much.
I got you. So I guess it's safe to say that yes, you will be pursuing veterinary. Why can't I say that? Veterinary classes.
Pero aside from that, may ibang choice pa naman po ako.
But at least, you know, that's very, it's so rare to find someone who's just gonna go for that. Usually, syempre, there's the accounting, nursing, ganun, di ba? Ang cool mo. You get extra cool points from me, Joyce, because of that. All right. So, if not for veterinary, what else is your dream college program and what school?
What?
Law of attraction tayo ngayon. Law of attraction.
Yes, manifestation. Gusto ko pong, if ever man na hindi ko po ma-pursue yung veterinary, another interesting course for me is psychology po.
Cool.
Tapos, ang dream college or university ko po, FEU. Kasi
There
po,
you go.
alumna po dun yung sister ko.
There you go. Again, let's manifest that. Law of attraction. Let's go, FEU. All right. Well, that's about you and your personal life with regards to you studying because you are still a student. But this time, let's move on to another aspect of your life, which is you being an artist. Diba? So, we saw that you are It's Showtime's Tawag ng Tanghalan Season 7 daily winner. So after joining several singing competitions, how does it feel winning in national television, di ba?
It was very overwhelming po. I was so filled with joy and happiness. Kasi po, it's my first time performing in such a large audience with a TV network na may malawak po na reach. Kasi ABS-CBN and GMA7 are the leading networks here in our country po TV platform. So I was very honored and at the same time, I feel rewarded po kasi there's so much hardship na naranasan ko na po, me and my mom, na naranasan na po namin na magtiis sa napakahabang pila and sometimes, hindi naman din po ako nananalo sa mga contest na sinasalihan ko. So, parang, I feel so blessed po. And at the same time, sobrang natuwa po kasi nabalik yung hardship na naranasan namin ni Mama.
Oo nga naman, na-reward kayo after all that, which you made it sound like it really isn't just going to the network,
yes,
quick
po,
audition, kukunin ka, hindi lang siya ganun,
very
no?
picky po kasi talaga yung mga ganitong type ng competition. Kasi po, they will choose the best out of the best.
Yeah.
Ganun po. Sa dami po ng nag-audition, mga lampas 100 po ata kami. 4 na lang po kaming natira.
Wow!
I was very grateful na napasama po ako dun sa 4 kasi ako lang po ata yung pinakabatang nag-audition po doon. Kasi po, the age requirement before sa Tawag ng Tanghalan is 16 to 59 years old. But ngayon po, binabaan na nila ng 14 years old. Pero at that time po, ako po talaga yung pinakabatang nag-audition.
Galing, grabe. And syempre, props to your mom also for really being with you throughout that entire process,
Thank you po.
diba?
She's a very supportive mother. Happy Mother's Day.
Hey! Advance Happy Mother's Day, Ninang! Yes, guys, ninang ko na siya. Anyway, so you're also participating recently in TikTok Clock Tanghalan ng Kampiyon. Am I saying that right? Yes. What drove you to join another TV singing competition? And same na ba yung proseso? Yung hardships that you went through, is it the same or...
Based on my experience po, mas mahirap sa TikTok Clock po. Yeah. Kasi po, mas nadagdagan yung levels and stages of audition na kailangan mo pong ipasa. Parang nadagdagan lang po siya ng isa compared sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. So for me po, mas nakakapagod siya and mas mahirap po. Kasi ang masakit po doon, final stage na ng audition, tapos hindi ka pa po makukuha. So, yung mga iba ko pong kasama, syempre po, may friendship na po na nabuo during the audition audition proper po. And nasasad po ako for them kasi final stage na po and biglang hindi sila
Bye.
napili po na
Aw.
goodbye. So, parang sinabi ko po sa kanila na ipaghihiganti ko kayo. Ganyan.
That's cute. That's cute. And I love that, you know, although it is still competition naman nila, pero
Yes po.
yung
But there's still
that love and camaraderie
po,
and bond that you form
Yes.
na hindi porket competition, you want them out of the race na rin, di ba?
That's the good thing in competitions
Aha.
po. It's not really a competition. I feel like kapag sumasali po ako ng contents, it's just a platform for me to showcase my talent and form new friendship with other people na may same interest din po sa
I
akin.
love that. Alam mo, naniniwala talaga ako, yung mga pinapanood nating competition movies sa, you know, States, Western movies, ganun. Feel ko talaga they over-exaggerated the toxicity between
Yes po.
competitors. Kasi naniniwala ako, tayo mga Pilipino, at least for the Filipinos, and I can't really speak by saying na nasa competition ako dati or whatever because wala talaga akong katalent-talent. But naniniwala ako that there are so many friendships formed in these kinds of
po.
things.
And mafe-feel niyo po talaga yung support ng fellow contenders niyo doon. There's no crab mentality na
I love that.
usong topic ngayon sa social
Oo.
media. Hindi po ganun. And I'm thankful po
Oo.
talaga na yung mga kabatchmates ko during the competition is very supportive
Yung
po
everybody
talaga.
wants everyone to win.
Yeah,
I love
genuine po talaga yung support nila. And you can feel it naman po kapag genuine yung
Oo.
isang support and yung feeling na pinaparamdam sa iyo.
That's so cool. Pero naniniwala ako if there's a competition, if there's a contestant like me, sasabihan nyo ka ako na parang, wag na. Sige na. Wala ka talaga talent, girl. Sige na, tabi. Mapapahiya ka lang, tabi. But thank you for sharing your experiences with both competitions and, you know, your struggles and whatnot. But again, congratulations for making it this
Thank you so
far.
much
And
po.
of course, we're very sure to hear more from you in different other competitions. But for now, we want you to compete with yourself because we have an icebreaker called What's Your Favorite? So it's very simple. You just have to choose between this or that. Which one is your favorite?
Okay
You
po.
pala, you just have to tell us what your favorite is.
Hala, I think mahirapan po ako. I'm such an indecisive person.
I love that. Like I said, you're going to be competing with yourself. So
Oh my
mag-away-away
gosh,
kayo
this is going to
dyan.
be a challenge.
Let's see, with this first question, what is your favorite place to be in? To be at? Ayan na,
My-
nagsisimula na yung pagiging undecisive niya. Let's go!
Nagkakaroon ako ng existential crisis dito, guys. For me po, since I'm from Zambales, my favorite place to be in is in the beach. With the calming waves, the serene ambience. ng
Perfect. So, beach
beach.
nang walang crowd.
Opo.
Oo. Kasi, may nag-trend ata recently. I think it was in Zambales nga. Zambales or La Union. Pareho lang ba yun? Di ako.
Hindi po, hindi po.
Anyway, hindi ako sure, sorry po. Mahina pa ako sa geography. Anyway, ayun, yung sobrang daming tao ng weekend.
Opo. Ay, nung Holy Week po, dinagsa
din,
po
diba? Oo.
yung region, province po
O, di ba?
namin.
Pareho lang tayo na-confuse. So, so the beach but with no crowd.
Yes po. So,
Beach on a
super
weekday,
calming.
ganun.
Super calming po kasi marinig yung sound ng waves na nagka-crash sa sand.
Ano sinasabi sa'yo? Pahinga ka na. Pahinga na. Ganun. Kalma.
Serve mo ng break.
Deserve yung break. Gusto ko yun. Alright, next favorite. Favorite pastime activity besides something related to music?
My favorite pastime activity besides music. Sometimes po I paint.
Oh, sabi na ba very multi-talented to eh.
Mga watercolor art
Oh,
lang.
still. Oy, that's still talent. Ano kaya pinainom na itong mga magulang
Kasi sasabihin ko po
Joyce,
sana
bata
playing
siya.
instrument pero sa
Music pa rin eh.
other than
Oh,
music.
so what instruments do you play though? Sidebar tayo ng slide. What instruments do you play?
Keyboard po, yung parang ano siya, enhanced na binawasan po na keys ng
Okay,
piano.
okay.
Yung keyboard. And guitar po.
Cool. Ang talented. Ano? Ninang tell me later anong pinakain niyo sa kanya nung bata siya. Ha? But napaka-talented. Okay. Favorite pre-performance routine? Kung meron ka bang ganun?
Meron po kasi super nervyoso po talaga ako and malamig. Ginawin po. Like, mahina pag sa competition po sumasali ako. Giniginaw po talaga ako. Ay, Diyos ko po kagina. Kaya po parehas po na competition sa tawag ng tanghalan tsaka tanghalan ng kampiyon. Super nginig po ko nung sinasabi ako ng mga kasama ko, "Hoy, be, okay ka lang? Ala, nanginginig ka ba sa kaba?" Sabi ko, "Hindi po, super lamig ng aircon dito, grabe." Pero po yung pre-performance routine ko po, yung gumaganon siya. Nagsishake ng hands para matanggal yung nerves.
High School Musical, have you watched that ba?
Hindi po.
Oh
Pero
my God!
kilala ko sila Zac Efron! I know the High School Musical po, pero I haven't watched it pa. Pero favorite ko po yung Can I Have This Dance?
Diba? It's not even High School Musical 1, guys. I don't know if it's 2 or 3, but it's not 1. Anyway, I mentioned that because the one of the ladies and the gentleman, magkapatid sila, they do a lot of theater. So they had this
Yes.
Ganun, something like that. So,
parang ginawa din po yan ni Miss Nicaragua sa Miss Universe.
parang
With
gano'n,
Michelle D.
Yes.
Ganon.
So they have that to just shake the nerves off.
Yes po, shake
Something like
talaga.
that.
Para din po ma-relax yung
There you go.
body.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, how about this one? Of course, related to you. Favorite song at the moment, besides your own song, of course.
My favorite song at the moment is from Ariana Grande's 7th studio album, Eternal Sunshine.
Specific. Track number
Yes.
13, mga ganun. Ha? Hindi ko alam
Track
yun.
number 5.
Oh, pak! Favorite niya nga talaga, di ba? Love that. Love Ari, kahit ang taas-taas
Yes,
ng
I'm
kilay
the biggest
niya.
Arianator po talaga.
Kahit ang taas na ng kilay niya, parang, di ba? Parang pataas ng pataas. But anyway, sige. Next favorite, we saw that you do covers on YouTube, di ba? So,
Yes.
who is your favorite artist to cover?
Nabanggit ko na po.
Ariana? Okay, you are, what you call
Mostly
it?
po na-stuck yung mga hindi ko pa po na-upload na covers. Puro Ariana Grande po talaga. Sinasabi ng mami ko, mostly sa mga kababayan mo dito, di naman siya kilala.
No, how could they not know Ariana Grande?
How could you not know her?
But anyway,
Grabe.
all right. So at least we know that you are a huge Ariana Grande fan. But this time, we will talk about us being fans of yours through these questions. So from doing covers, of Ariana and many others, Pangako Mo is your first original song. What made you come up with? What made you come up with it? Like, may kwento ba? May pinagdaanan ka ba?
Actually, hindi po kayo ba yung pinagdaan.
Buti, good to know because gosh darn it, 17 years old, kakabahan ako.
It was composed by my manager po na
Okay.
kasama
Hi.
natin ngayon. Ayan, Sir
Heart.
John Ray Malto. And it was arranged by my vocal coach, Adonis Arcilia. And kinuha lang po ko as a song interpreter ng manager ko po. Sabi niya kasi parang bagay daw po sa boses ko yung kanta. And lagyan ko daw po ng own rendition ko. Nung binigay na po sa akin yung demo, it was a happy love song eh. Tapos sabi ko, kakatapos ko lang po nung manood ng movie ng Katniel.
So, parang naramdaman
Feeling
ka
ko
nun.
sad po ako nun kasi iniyakan ko yung movie na yon. So sabi ko, gawin ko kayang malungkot na kanta tong Pangako Mo. Tapos, yun po yung twist na nilagay ko sa song. Kumbaga, the lyric, it contradicts the interpretation of the song. Kasi po, yung lyrics, it's about the person hoping for a happy promise. Pero sabi ko, what if yung promise na yun, it will never come
Hindi
true?
matutupad ka, no?
Yeah. So, parang ganun po yung ginawa kong interpretation and yung message na, or yung feeling rather, na nilagay ko sa kanta. So, ayun po. It's not your ordinary love song.
Let's go, Joyce. So at least, for future artists out there now, if you need that hugot when you're about to sing a song, when you're about to record, manood muna kayo ng movie, of your choice, of course. We're not gonna dictate to you which couple you want to watch with a happy ending, sad ending. Bahala na kayo. Basta it's gonna set the mood for you before you record, diba?
Yes.
Well, how about this one? With regards to your music video naman, can you share with us the creative process behind Pangako Mo's music video? Like, was it all you or did you have any other contributors to the idea of that music video?
The music video was directed and videographed by Si Sir Romel Saison. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko po. Sorry. Pero po kasi, nakuha niya po yung pinakagusto kong idea na para siyang maging Korean vibes na video. Kasi po, super trending ngayon ng mga K-dramas sa mga Pinoy So sabi ko, medyo fan din po ko ng mga K-drama. So pwede po ba yung cinematography similar sa mga ganong genre na na video? So, sabi niya, hala, fan din ako ng mga K-drama kaya nakuha niya po talaga yung gusto ko pong product
Same
na
wavelength
video.
kayo noon. Love that.
Nag-meet po kami halfway. Yes.
All right. Well, it seems like it was very successful. You know, your creative juices coming together, and of
Yes
course, again, the
po.
success of that music video. Well, do you have any advice to viewers who, like you, are able to seek to balance both their passion and their academics? You know, it really transcends for all ages, not just for people in high school, but even for those in college or
Yes
even
po.
after. They wanna balance both their passion and academics/work, diba?
Yes. I think there's nothing time management can't do po talaga. Yung notes ko po sa cellphone, yung notes app, minsan doon ko po nilalagay yung mga schedule ko sa school and sa career. Minsan po nag-alarm po ko na pag nag-alarm na po yung phone ko, dapat gawin ko na po to or magigising ako sa ganitong oras. Kasi po, once na hindi ko sinunod yung schedule, malilate po talaga ako. Super bagal ko pa naman po kumilos.
Aren't we all?
Time management na naman po talaga. And yun din po yung tinuturo ng parents ko na dapat alam ko po kung paano hawakan yung oras ko. Kasi po, mahirap na din po yung nagmamadali, nagpapanik talaga. Kasi minsan po nagugulo yung idea and yung productivity po natin once na we're in a panic state or di kaya naguguluhan na tayo kasi nagmamadali na po. Time management lang po talaga.
Ayan, everyone, it's time management and discipline to actually really manage your time. Hindi yung
Yes.
5 more minutes. Promise.
Manyana habit.
Babangon ako 5 minutes na lang, promise. Well, thank you for sharing all of that, Joyce. Thank you for sharing your story about school, to your journey with your competitions, and of course, your music as well. So, before we actually get to listen to you perform the song, please invite our viewers to where they can check out your single and also your social media accounts. And if you have any other gigs or upcoming events, please do let us know as well.
Yes, Easy Rock plugged in viewers and listeners. You can find me or you can listen to me in my Facebook page, Joyce Espinoza. My promotional video of my single, Pangako Mo, is uploaded and out now on my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Both Joyce Espinoza ang name. And of course, if you want to request some covers, just reach out to me on my Facebook page. And you can also find me in Instagram, Joyce Espinoza _ and in TikTok, Red Joyce. Ayan.
There you go. So, preferably daw kung mag-request kaya Ariana Grande songs. Pero
Yes,
madali nila sa
I
kanya
love that.
yan. Thanks so much again, Joyce, for being here with us on Easy Rock Plugged In. And we can't wait for you to come back to give us another song naman next time. Your next single.
Yes. Thank you po, DJ Shai. You're so very pretty.
Oh! Wait, na-record, guys. Na-record na pretty ko daw, guys. Thanks so much again. And of course, we have so much more to talk about, pero off the air na lang. But right now, let us listen to Joyce Espinoza perform her song called Pangako Mo. My name is Shai. This is Easy Rock Plugged In.
Nung una kang masilayan, pinangarap kong akin lamang. Sa bawat sandaling nasulyapan, biglaan nararamdaman. Pag-ibig mo sa'kin di maglalaho, pagdaan man ng araw di magbabago. Nadaramang ligaya sa tuwing kasama ka, sa habang buhay ay kapiling ka. Pangako mo sa'kin, ako lamang. Pangako mo sa'kin, ang puso ko lamang. Pangako mo sa'kin, hindi magbabago. Mamahalin mo ako hanggang dulo. Ingatan mo ang puso ko, paluhain ako'y di mo magagawa. Ako'y kasama mo sa walang hanggan. Sa iyong puso ako ang tanging laman. Ako lamang, pangako mo sa'kin, ang puso ko lamang. Sa'kin, hindi magbabago. Mamahalin mo ako hanggang dulo. Nagbago ang ikot ng mundo, para bang kay bagal na natakbo. Sa pag-ibig mo ako'y umaasa, sa may kapal hinihiling ka. Sa'kin, ako lamang. Pangako mo sa'kin, ang puso ka lamang. Ako lamang. Pangako mo, hindi magbabago. Mamahalin hanggang dulo. Hindi magbabago. Pangako mo sa'kin, ika'y mamahalin para sa'kin. Ikaw ay para